Turn up to this one. Customer said there was a leak under the sink. Let's have a look for ourselves. Looks a little bit wet on the back wall. You can see it glistening. First thing I do is put my hand there and you can see I'm getting sprayed on. It's definitely spraying from somewhere, so it's not waste related. Let's have a quick look at that black alkathene cold main. Yeah, there it is, look. Better head outside and turn it off. Because it's before the internal stop tap, we have to turn it off outside. Rarely see a nice new stop tap like that, so that's good. Turn the tap on, make sure the water's stopped. Sped it up because it took a while. Couldn't really be bothered to go upstairs to open the taps and speed it up. Right, let's get that waste out of the way. It's going to be tricky if that stays in place. Undo that off the back, so that's another thing obstructing me. So let's undo the stop tap or leave a valve for the plumbing police. There's a little bit of water there, but nothing to be too worried about. So we can just use plastic cutters to cut through the pipe. So it looks like 22mm, so we try a 22mm coupler on there. It's like a wizard sleeve, that's not going to hold, is it? Look at the olive, that's no good. So I've got a little trick for these if you haven't got the special adapter. Just use a 3/4 olive. Look how much tighter that is. It's a bit of better fit, isn't it? So put the nut on first, then the olive. Then we're going to put a bit of jointing compound on, which is alright for potable water before the plumbing police start kicking off. Maybe don't need that much, but you know, it's on the brush anyway, so why not? The idea is to make sure none of it goes down the pipe. Now we're going to put the coupler on, join that up, and we're going to tighten that up. Now we need to redo that bit of pipe that we took out, so I put a bend on a bit of 15mm pipe, and then eye it up like that, put a reducer in one side, pop it in, then it enables us to mark it up like that. Something like that anyway. Now with a bit of gentle persuasion, we can bend him out of the way, pop him in like that, and he'll sit something like that. But I don't want to mount any of that black alkathene, so I'm going to solder it off the job like that. I know people are going to say, oh, you could have pressed that, but I didn't, so. But then we're getting the glow lamp out, is there? So with that all done, make sure you cool it down or you'll burn your hands. You'll be able to put this all together with 2 hands rather than recording, but I took a little bit longer because I've got my phone in one hand and the pipe in the other. And then just pop it back together. I'd put a little bit of jointing compound on there, although on this instance I actually didn't because I got carried away. So you want to hand tighten it, make sure nothing cross threads, and then give everything a pinch out of a spanner. Don't go mad on the black alkathene, you don't want to split it anymore. Right, so now I'm going to turn the stop tap, leave a valve off, and I'm going to head back outside and turn it on at the mains. This so it isolates the likes of leaks above, so I'm only going to get leaks below. If I get any leaks, hopefully not. That all looks pretty good, to be fair. Now I'm going to turn that on, test for leaks above. Although I didn't touch anything above, the movement could have caused a leak. But it all looks pretty good. That's the offending article. Get that in the bin. One thing's missing though, we haven't put the waste back. There we go, just like that. That's another one done. Happy days.